The magic behind regroup. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase regroup. You might have heard or read this term in different contexts. By the end of this video, you'll not only know its meaning but also how and when to use it. So, let's get started. Regroup can be broken down into two parts, re and group. The prefix re means again or once more, while group means a collection of people or things. So, when you combine them, the term literally means to form into a group again. Imagine you're playing with building blocks, and they tumble down. If you collect those blocks and arrange them once again, you're essentially regrouping them. Now, in everyday language, regroup doesn't always mean gathering things physically. It's often used in a figurative sense. 1. Teams or individuals. When a team faces a setback, they might need to regroup, meaning they need to take a break, rethink their strategy, and come back stronger. 2. Emotionally or mentally, someone might say, "I need a moment to regroup," implying they need a moment to compose themselves, especially after a shock or surprise. To truly grasp any phrase, it's essential to see it in action. Here are some examples. 1. After the failed project, the team decided to regroup and brainstorm a new approach. 2. She was overwhelmed by the sudden news and said, "Give me a minute, I need to regroup." 3. The soldiers were instructed to regroup at the base camp after the drill. And there we have it. The phrase, regroup, isn't just about bringing things together physically. It's about collecting thoughts, forming strategies, or just taking a moment for oneself. It's a versatile term, and now you're equipped to use it in various contexts. We hope this video has been enlightening, and until next time, keep exploring the beauty of the English language.